And this week, something extraordinary happened. Joy not only echoed across the globe, it echoed its way right out of this world.
Tonight, we're bringing you some good news from ISS. There is so much good news happening in the space world right now. This year, we will be celebrating 20 years of a continuous human presence on board the International Space Station. We've been up here conducting thousands of experiments that help benefit life back on Earth.
To help with isolation, we break up our workday every single day with exercise, eating, looking out the window, and connecting with our friends and family.
What do you guys think? Should we do a backflip? Oh boy.
Not our best showing.
As awesome as it's been to live and work here for so long, it's super good news that Jessica and I will soon return to Earth in just less than a week. And it's going to be great to hug my wife and kids again, though I'm not really looking forward to gravity. All right, one last look at the Earth. This is some good news. The Earth is still beautiful. An Earth in crisis is still an Earth worth returning to.
See you later, SGN.
What just happened? SGN just transmitted from the International Space Station? I'm gonna need a second to catch my breath.